I used to be from Anglican High School, but now I'm currently in 21A14 taking Helm, which is History, English Literature, Econs and Math. And my current CCA is Interact.
My name is Ding Xuan. I was from Anglican High School and I'm currently in Interact Club, and my subject combination is Biochemistry, Math and Economics, all H2.
I'm Natalie Chu. I'm from Temasek Secondary. I'm in canoeing and I take LCME, L for Literature.
Hi guys, I'm Stephanie and I'm from 21A12. My secondary school was Scenic and my current subject combination is super exotic. Upstream, 4H2, Math, Economics, ELL and Literature.
To be honest, choosing Hwa Chong was a very easy decision for me, and it actually stems from two main attractions. The first is actually the academic excellence that the school achieves, regardless is it the excellent A-level results that the school achieves, or the various programs like SMTP, GATE, or the humanities program that the school provides for its students that provide numerous opportunities for the students to excel beyond just the curriculum. And the second attraction is actually on the robust character education that the school provides, as shown very clearly in the motto 自强不息 and the values of 饮水思源. It's a continual reminder for students to have this gratitude and perseverance in the face of challenges.
Hwa Chong students also consist of those from Hwa Chong High School and Nanyang Girls High. So at first I was definitely of the opinion that people over here would definitely be friends already, and as such they wouldn't be as welcome to the new JE students. I realized that it's actually the contrary of what I expected. They're actually pretty big-hearted.
In Hwa Chong, I thought it would be very competitive because there were so many capable individuals who not only spoke well but they also did well in their studies. So I would definitely be pretty intimidated at the start. However, upon coming into my class 21A14, I actually realized how collaborative and supportive the entire environment is. Everybody helping each other, sharing notes, as well as giving each other encouragement, especially when we need it. I won't lie, I think being a JE, it was definitely quite hard at first to adapt, especially with such a foreign environment, everybody is new faces, and there'll be times when there'll be, from your secondary school, there will be a lot of people that you know besides them, and that can be really scary because of how unfamiliar it was. And I think at the start, that was definitely a struggle for me. But once I came into class and during our class orientation, it was really heartening to see that even though the IP students did not know me very well, they still really accepted me with open arms, and I really like my CCA culture. I think that Interact is such a huge family, and I think that everybody is really there for each other regardless of which school we came from.
I've definitely learned to be a bit more open-minded and accepting to new changes. And at the same time, I have realized that I should seize every single opportunity that comes.
When I first came here, I was really uncertain of my decision, and I was really unsure of myself because I didn't expect to do well enough to come here, and seeing everybody be so well achieved and capable, it made me really insecure about my own abilities, and it did hinder me from going for certain opportunities and grasping for certain things in life. And even though I have gotten over that, it is because of the environment that I've been in. And even though Hwa Chong is a stimulating environment, it has also encouraged me to be better and do better.
I would definitely say my best experience actually is class bonding. In the midst of stress, in the midst of upcoming commitments and examinations, that period of solitude and just having pure fun and enjoying ourselves, that is the best experience that I've had. And it really reminds me of the great community that we have built.
For me, it's OG. Why I thought it was such a striking experience to me was because everyone knew each other, but I came from a different school, so I was sort of quiet in the beginning, and then just everybody was so open and receptive to making new friends, and they didn't make me feel less than.
I would say the food for sure. The food is really good, and it's incredibly satisfying that after 3 hours of lessons in the morning, we always go out there, and all the stores are really amazing, especially the mom's cooking and Japanese store and the ban mian store. It is really incredible, and we eat so much that we have food coma for the rest of the day.
This is gonna be really lame and probably sound really cliche, but I love my class and I'm really grateful that I do, because not every environment gives you this class that is a huge supportive environment, and a close-knit community is really important, especially when you're trying to get through the darkest days of your life, especially at your lowest points, whether it's academics, CCA, or just life in general. And I'm really glad to say that I have really supportive tutors who really do care for us, and our civics tutor, Mr. Hathaway, really cares for our well-being, and he's always making sure that we grow as a person and not just a student.
If you're thinking about which school to go to and Hwa Chong crosses your mind, then I would say just try your luck, because if fate brings you here, then there's probably something in here for you to explore and to find out.
To my juniors who are intending to join Hwa Chong, I'd say just go for it. Hwa Chong has so much to offer, like special subjects, good teachers, and good resources. More than enough to guarantee you like both a good learning experience as well as a good holistic education.
The most important thing that I would say is that no regrets, and if you're in Hwa Chong, that means you can do everything that you set your mind to and anything that you want to do.
Why not?
Very humbling, but ultimately enriching.
My friends.
That beautiful clock tower that is incredibly breathtaking.